Dupuis, and I will be demonstrating a simple n-tier application created using VisualBasic.net and SQL Server as the database. This application was created for a fictitious music company and was meant to enable them to manage their employee records by either adding, deleting, or updating. First of all, we start off with a very simple form where we can enter an employee number to be retrieved. The employee ID has a very specific pattern, so if we were to enter an invalid ID and click on retrieve, we get a notification here that says employee ID is incorrectly formatted. So let's go ahead and enter a valid ID and click on retrieve. As you can see, all the information is brought back from the database and put onto the form to display. Now we have the option of updating this record. The employee ID field here is blocked from any changes, however the other fields are not. If we leave them blank, we will get an error provider notification letting us know that we cannot do so. Different jobs depending on what job level they are assigned to. For example here, if I were to put in an invalid job and job level combination and click on update, I get a notification letting me know that the level for job ID number 2 should be between 200 and 250. So I can click OK and go ahead and change the job level here, and if I were to click update again, I would get a notification letting me know that the update was successful. Now let's retrieve this record again to confirm that the changes have been made. As you can see here, the record is retrieved, the job level is 200, and the job is Chief Executive Officer, like we updated it to before. Deleting a record from the database is very simple. First, we must retrieve a record. As you can see, the buttons down here are disabled until we do so. So we are going to retrieve that same record that we've been working with before, and click on delete. We get a message indicating that the delete was successful. As for inserting a new item in the database, all we have to do here is fill out all the fields accordingly. Now let's go and enter that record again. As you can see, the error provider is being activated for all the fields that I'm leaving blank. And let's pick a valid job and job level combination. We'll go with Public Relations Manager and a job level of 100. When you go to select the hire date, you are prompted with a date picker that defaults to today's date. Available publishers are loaded from the database automatically, so I can simply pick and choose the one that I want. So I'll go and click on Insert here, and I get a notification letting me know that the insert was successful. There is also a convenient clear button that resets the form to its original state. That was my Visual Basic n-tier application using SQL Server.